Welcome to Wise. Today we'll take you through building operations and how it ties to users and training. On the main landing page, on the left-hand column, dashboard, select building, scroll down to operations, select operations, which will take you to the page of all of the operations you've built for your organization. Select add new operation. The title of the operation, you can create the structure any way that you want. So you can build it by division, by department, by role. If I was heavy civil, I could have linear infrastructure. I could have curbs and sidewalks. I could have restoration as different operations. Select the training specific for each of those operations. I could go to pipe fitter or operator or laborer and what's required for each of those. If I was mechanical, electrical, have the divisions set up. And then in this case, we'll go a new operation. Attach it to a user type. And so in this case, we'll go supervisor and worker. So I can go individually, I can go multiple. And then attach the training requirements that are associated for this operation, curbs and sidewalks, concrete, what have you, and the user type for it. In this case, we've combined supervisor and worker. There may be independent requirements, but we will address that in the user profile itself, which will be explained in a separate video. And then we would attach the training requirements. Again, we'll skip basics of supervision, right? If we had worker left off, we could add this basics of supervision. I want to do it with both, so we'll add these instead. Again, leave off worker safety awareness. Click create. And our new operation is created and it's listed here for both supervisor and worker. This then ties to the user profile. So if we look at a user specifically, we've got the user type as a worker, the operation that they're in, and when we click manage certifications, it will populate the list of training requirements for that operation and that user type automatically. If there are additional training that the guy has, I'll explain that in a separate video on building the users. And then from here, you can also take a look at the training matrix, and all of the users with the user type and the operation are populated along with all of the training requirements specifically for each of those operations. So I can say, great, I want to see my workers for general contracting labor. Search that, there's the folks that I get. Reset it. I want to see my supervisors for, where's linear infrastructure, select search. I get a list of all of those. And that's the training matrix and how it ties in with the operations.